Good afternoon, Year 4. So this week for Design and Technology, we are going to be looking at money containers. So you're going to get a chance to make your own. But first we're going to look at different examples, look at different things we need to include for our audience. So first of all, I want you to think about, what is a money container? Have you got any in your house? Do they all look the same or different? So if you are able to do so and your parents or carers are happy for you to do so, go and see if you can find some money containers now. So it may be a purse, a piggy bank, a wallet. So pause the video now, go and see if you can find some so we can have a look at how they are the same or different. Okay, so a money container is a place to collect and hold money. It can hold notes and coins and can be made out of different materials. The most common money containers you might know about are a wallet, a purse and a piggy bank. Did you know wallets were developed after the introduction of paper currency in the 1600s? Before paper currency was invented, people used only coins. Special coin purses were used to hold these coins. So that's basically telling us that until notes were made, like £10 notes, £20 notes, people used to use coin purses instead, which were a lot smaller. Some of your elderly relatives may still have coin purses. And then more wallets then were developed, wallets and purses which were larger to fit the notes in. So most money containers in the past were made from cow and horse leather. Now many different fabrics and materials are used to make money containers. Coin purses and wallets are now seen with interesting designs and unique fasteners and zips. So just have a look at these ones on the screen. And who do you think owns them? So we are inferring here, we are just having a little guess because we don't know for certain. But who do we think owns these? So for example, which one do you think a child might own? So you might think a child may own this one. What about a female? Okay, yeah, so maybe more patterned, maybe this one. This one here is what we call a bum bag. Okay, so why might you need to use one of those? So this one, if you have a look, it's quite a bit larger than the others, and it has a strap around the back and it fastens around your waist. So you don't need to have any hands, so you don't need to carry in a bag, you don't need to carry a purse, it just fastens around your waist. So who might need one of those? It may be somebody like a window cleaner who is coming to collect money but doesn't have a hand to be able to carry a bag or a wallet because they need to carry things like the bucket and the ladder. So it could be a window cleaner, it could be somebody who works. So lots of different money containers are used for different people. So you need to bear that in mind this week when you are designing yours. So over the next few lessons, you will be designing, making and evaluating your own money container using textiles. Today, you will be trying out some different designs to see which work best. So what I would like you to do is find a money container in your house. You must ask an adult first. Could be a piggy bank, a wallet, a purse or something else. And then I want you to have a think about these questions. So here we've got a wallet and I want you to think about what different components does it have? How is it decorated? What fabric is it made from? How is it fastened? And how was it made? So for example, I know that this one has been fastened with a button. So you can see the button here, whereas another purse may have a zip. And I may know that when I open it, the different components of the different parts, on the left hand side it might be for all of the cards, and on the right hand side there might be a zip to put some coins in. How is it decorated? This one's very plain, isn't it? But you may have one at home that is patterned or different fabrics. The fabric this one is made from is most likely to be leather. Okay, so I want you to have a go finding a money container and answering those questions to get you thinking about what your money container is going to be like. Then what I would like you to do is draw a picture of your money container and I want you to label it. And then I want you to think about these questions. So who do you think the money container was designed for? When do you think a money container like this would be used? What materials do you think it's made from? How does it keep the money inside safe? So if I go back to mine, I think this one is probably made for a man, a gentleman, because I know as a female, I wouldn't usually use a wallet. So I'm going to say designed for a male. And when do I think a money container like this will be used? I think every day. So if we go back to this one, this is probably something that's used by somebody who needs to have their hands free. Could be somebody who's going on a long walk and doesn't want to carry something. Could be somebody like a window cleaner that we've discussed. So it might not be used every day. But this one, I think, probably is. So you are going to answer these questions based on your money container.